الحمد لله رب العالمين، الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين، أما بعد. فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم، بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قال الله تعالى في سورة النحل: ثم إن ربك للذين هاجروا من بعد ما فتنوا ثم جاهدوا وصبروا إن ربك من بعدها لغفور رحيم. Translation: Then surely your Rabb is for them who migrated and left their homes after they were victimized and then struggled and fought in cause of Allah and endured with patience. Indeed, thereafter your Rabb for them is all forgiving, most merciful. During the early times of Islam, Muslims were persecuted and were tortured a lot in Mecca, and some of the Muslims were tortured so much that they lost their lives. Among those were included a couple of Muslims. His husband was Hazrat Yasir Razillah anhu, his wife Hazrat Sumayya Razillah anha. And what happened when they were tortured? They were asked to say the kalma kufr, the word of kufr, but they did not say it, and they were brutally murdered, and they were the first martyrs of Islam. Their son Hazrat Ammar Razillah anhu was a young man, and when he was tortured and he was victimized, he could not tolerate that torture and said the word of kufr, and then he came to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam crying what he did. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala revealed these ayahs in which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have mentioned that if somebody is to lose his or her life, and his life is going to be saved by just saying the word of kufr, and the iman and the faith still in the heart intact, then there is permission given to them, and these people will live their lives according to Islam. And that's what Hazrat Ammar Razillah anhu did, that he migrated from Mecca to Medina, and he did jihad, and he was steadfast on Islam. One thing must be understood, that if someone does not say the word of kufr and loses his life because of the torture and persecution, but not saying the kalma kufr, his status is going to be higher than those who are unable to tolerate the torture and say the kufr. Allahu a'lam. Let's pray Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us understanding of Quran, connect us with the truthful people. Oh Allah, help Muslims, Muslims. Oh Allah, help Muslims. Oh Gaza and Sudan. Amin. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.